Hi, AppSec engineers. Let's talk about Kubernetes Admission Controllers. Now, Kubernetes Admission Controllers are basically a access control mechanism that allow you to control what kind of resources or what kind of deployments get launched within Kubernetes. It extends to a whole bunch of different things. Now, there are typically two types of admission controllers. The first one is a validating admission controller, and the second one is a mutating admission controller. Now, a validating admission controller, as the name suggests, validates something. So let's say you're trying to launch a container that is a root privileged container, and you have a policy set up that does not allow it. That will validate whether it is root or not and will disallow that container from being launched. However, a mutating admission controller changes the property of the container or the resource being launched. So for instance, let's say you're trying to launch a root container, it will remove the root privilege and only then launch that container. So that makes it a slightly different one from the validating admission controller. So these are the big differences between the two types of admission controllers that you can have in a Kubernetes cluster.